Stop whatever it is you're trying to do.
Holding in this sneeze is a testament to my self-control. Shoo! That failed miserably.
Great. Make sure to never hold in your sneezes.
Jeez, Julie, it's just a sneeze. What's the harm?
Well, if you'd like to rupture your eardrums or damage the blood vessels in your eyes and brain, be my guest and hold in your sneezes.
Whoa, that took a very grim turn.
Duh. We can fire sneezes as fast as 60 kilometers per hour sometimes.
That speed is illegal on so many roads. I'm sold. The common cold turns us into a germ-loaded cannon. Whoa, looks like it also turns everyone around us into ninjas.